Alright, today we've got some more RV maintenance. The rear panel has shaken off and we need to replace it, so let's get under there and show you what we're working with. Okay, what has happened is this sheet metal has come undone. I've taken the two screws off of this side. Those just screw into this little piece of plastic, but our starting problem was here, that this piece of sheet metal went from there into this piece of plywood and that had ripped out. So that's our main place that we're going to have to focus to reinforce, to create somewhere for the screw to go into. And I've also drilled some new holes here and in the front. You can see that this piece here had completely torn out. So I'm going to put in a new hole here, and then I'll have 3 new places to attach the sheet metal into the frame, and another screw in the back, and I'm going to reinforce with that with another piece of hardwood. That should hold everything together. Alright, so we're going to drill a new hole so we've got a little bit more metal to put the sheet metal into. 13/64 size. Definitely want to wear some safety glasses because there's going to be a lot of metal. Alright, we're going to put some pilot holes in our wood that we're going to use to brace and give us something else to put our sheet metal into, but we need some pilot holes, so there's a 3/32 bit for a number 6 wood screw. Alright, one problem that this is going to cause, we've got a sheet metal screw coming up and potentially hit the wiring, so we're going to need to file that screw down so it doesn't pierce our wiring. Alright, now all that's left that we've got it in place is to caulk the edge to reseal it's waterproof. Alright, and that's what the finished product looks like. It's all sealed up. It's tight, almost where it was by adding a couple new screws. It's in there. Feels tight. It's not coming loose anymore.